Ratchet straps. They can always be such a mess to deal with and a hassle, and it becomes something you have to fight with every time you need to use them. But I'm going to show you how to fix that today. Even if you try to keep your ratchet straps a little bit clean and organized and wrapped up, they can still be a problem because they quickly fall apart as soon as you grab them. So a friend showed me this trick just the other day, and I knew immediately that I had to share with all of you. For starters, you've got to check which way to go with the hook to make it lay flat on the ratchet. For me, I have to fold the hook up like this to get it to lay flat, but that's okay. In the end, you won't even know the difference. So to start out, make sure that your ratchet is closed. Make sure that your strap is through the ratchet. Then you want to make sure the ends are as close to even as you can get them. You're going to only care about the strap when you make them even. Don't worry about the hook. We'll address that at the end. Once you've got those evened up, go ahead and start wrapping around the hook side of the ratchet. Get that hook to lay flat. Then, the key to this, turn the hook. Go ahead and continue wrapping. This is a lot easier when you're in the driveway. And wrap some more. One of the reasons that you want the ends to be even is because it minimizes the number of times you have to wrap. So once you're done, that hook that you shifted out to the side, now just fold it on over. And now it's done. It's ready to go. This isn't coming apart like it used to. No more mess. If you like simple sorcery tricks like this, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and follow along for more content like this. See you in the next one.